because of his sake or because of friendship. And I introduce each and every one of you, except my son. My son is Julius Barcelona. Stand up. And he has been introduced before as a brother. Now my son. My sister, Sally Maga. Please. And my happy family today is Minnie. Please. And I would like to thank Aji, who's been my partner during the last book. And if you will notice, the preface of the second Moringa book was written by the famous Ernest Lara. By the way, he brought the famous leche plan of his mom. And of course, the famous bibingka, special bibingka of RD. And your Choco Moringa drink, which you will taste during our break. At saka the panisal of Tintin. It's your bird. Malunggay panisal. Okay. So, thank you for the photo. Coming on the way from Palasiao, my good friend, Edith of Tesoros. Okay. This is my fourth book, actually. The second book of the recipe was completely sold out. That's why it inspired me to come up with the second recipe. One for my sister, another relative, and of course, my printer, Millie of Auntie Millie, and the daughter. Okay, so some of my members of my in-laws are also here. Doña Luisita Lin, please. She's the mom-in-law of my youngest son. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so thrilled that you have come here. We have 3 schools that are represented here where I grew up. This is St. Scholastica's College. This is Assumption. And of course, my closest and recent family friends, St. Paul. Okay. And the original prayer group, which was founded by the first president of MPFI, King Lane, he was supposed to give the opening prayer. Father Resty Lumanlan, let us begin. And his pictures, they come from different sectors and different provinces. Now let me go back to the 3 books. The only reason why I have written books is because we want to raise funds for MPFI. We only get our funds from membership dues, which is only 500 per year. Kulang na lang na tumutok kami ng baril. Mag-donate sila. But since we are now coming up with the 3 books for 1,000 each, Millie charged me 300 per book. So how much are we earning? 100. Okay, get it? It's all because we want to share the good news. This is the news on Moringa. The several usages of Moringa as a business and as food, and of course, the culinary experts here present today. We are ready to sign the books if you are interested, especially by Tintin and all those present, and of course, Ernest. RV Manapat, I told your assistant, Sylvia, to bring your books because I also want to promote your books. He has written 4 books, am I right? Yeah, and I have all of them. I bought them. Okay. So, I started writing this book when we organized the Moringa Philippine Foundation, incorporated in 2009. That was how many years ago. And then 10 years ago, we came up with the International Moringa Congress, which we held in Crown Plaza. And of course, it was the APEC conference at the same time. So we lost a lot of money. So we're still covering up the money that we lost up to now, 10 years hence. So we are coming up with the second International Moringa Congress, hopefully. And the earnings that we get from the sale of the books will be part of what we are saving for the next International Moringa Congress. We have to discuss where it will be held, when it will be held, but most probably in November 2026. So right now, we're already inviting you to first become members, to join us in our movement, so that we can spend a little money for workshops, which they are supposed to do in our behalf. But we go on our own. Gina and I have gone to all islands of the Philippines, have gone around the world on our own expense, just to try to let them know what Moringa is all about. So, in the first book, you will see the countries that I visited. Everything that I saw, whether there were Moringa or not, is in that book. The second one, it's a fun book actually. It's nothing serious. I am not a literary Italian, so I just keep on writing and writing out of my heart. The second book, as you will notice, is the second recipe book. And your chefs are here today. Winnie was so busy, I wanted them to be included. Being Rangel was supposed to be included, but she went away with the husband, who's on the ship every time. So, so the third book is about artists who are not discovered. One of them is my good friend Jojo. She has made beautiful bags all by her hand, no? So those are the artists that I want people also to know about. Like Moringa is unknown, as you have said. It grows, it is so close to the eyes that you don't even notice. Diba? When you put something in front of your eyes, hindi mo man makikita eh. If you put it away from your eyes, you will see. Okay. So please sponsor our book so that will keep us starting. And we are here for you today so that we could sign personally whatever article is there on us. Okay? So we thank you very much for participating in this book launch, and especially for PSU, who is either here or there. Sometimes they're there, sometimes they disappear. I don't understand why. You're here. Okay. We are going to have a little surprise for you, because one of you in your table, or three of you in your table, will be lucky. If you look underneath your chair,